All right, where we stopped off was talking about the cross products property or cross multiplication. So what we'll do is we're going to practice this idea of cross multiplication with these two examples. The markings that I would like to see on your paper are that you're circling the denominator in the left and the numerator in the right ratio, okay? So 2 times y is 2y, and it's equal to the other side, -5 times 8, which is -40. Now I just have a one-step equation to get y by itself. I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and I should get that y is equal to -20. So how we can check it if we'd like to, or to prove that this cross multiplication does work, is that if we were to plug in -20 in for that y, let's cross multiply, and we should get the same answer. So 2 times -20 is -40, and -5 times 8 is -40. This is why cross multiplication works. Now we're going to take a look and see, well, this proportion looks slightly different because I have the expression g plus 3 in the numerator. We're going to use the same idea of cross multiplication. I'll start with 7 times 5 because that's a little easier. And I know 7 times 5 is 35. But what I need to do is I need to multiply 4 times the expression g plus 4. So 4 times g plus 3. I must have said 4 before, sorry. And now we see a problem that needs to use the distributive property to simplify. So 4 times g is 4g, plus 4 times 3 is 12. And in this problem, I have a two-step equation to solve. I'll first subtract 12 from both sides, okay? And I get 23 equals 4g. And then I can divide both sides by 4, and I'll get a decimal. G equals, I think, 5.75, okay, or 5 3/4. All right, so cross multiplication. Now, the next part of the lesson talks about conversion factors. Okay, two quantities that are equal but use different units. So these are common conversion factors, and there are some that you may know, right? 12 inches in a foot, 3 feet in a yard, okay? So these are conversion factors, again, that you would find.